Good morning, students. Today we will continue second part of determiners. In first part we have done articles a and the. Once again I am telling you about these. Then we will do second part of articles. Okay. A we use before consonants or when we get the sound of consonants. And N is used before vowels or when we get the sound of vowels, and the is used for particular thing. Okay, and in this second part we will discuss some rules where we do not use the. Okay, so you will listen it very carefully. Now see, I have written here few points. We do not use article the before the names of first point language. Means if we talk about any language, then how, as I know English, you know Punjabi, in this way, then we do not use the before this. I know the English, it is not correct. Okay. Second point, before subjects, if we talk about subjects, how you have much interest in maths or English or science, maybe in this way, so we do not use the before subjects. Third point, before the names of games and sports, how we play cricket match, we play hockey match, we do not use the. We play the cricket match, it will be wrong. Okay, before the names of days and months, as January is the first month of the year, you can see here we haven't used the. Now today is Friday, you can see here today is Friday. Now next, before the names of diseases, if diseases are there, then we do not use the. How she is suffering from smallpox, she is suffering from cholera, in this way the should not be there. Next 6 points, we do not use the before the names of festivals, seasons. How I shall spend Deepavali, you can see here Deepavali, the name of festival in Mumbai. We shall go to Kashmir in summer, not in the summer. If we use the summer, then it will be wrong. Okay. Next, if appoint, declare, elect and made verbs are there, then we do not use the after these words. How they elect, they elected him chairman, not the chairman. If we write the chairman after this word elected, then it will be wrong. Okay, we declared him monitor, we declared him the monitor, then it will be wrong. Okay. Yes, now next point, food items or meals. If food items or meals are there, then we do not use the. How? See, there is rice in the menu, you can see here the rice we haven't written because the rice will be wrong. The rice, if we write the rice, then it will be wrong. Next, have you taken dinner? See here dinner, if we write the dinner, then it will be wrong. Okay. Next point, type of, kind of, sort of. Okay, how, what kind of a leader is he, you can see here we have used here not the. Remember, if kind of, you can see kind of, sort of, type of, okay, then we use a, not the, a or n, not the. See this, most people hate it. If most of, then we use the. You can see here most people hate it most of the people, because now of is there. If of is there, then we use the. Most of the people hate it. Okay. Now rank of, title of, after these words we do not use the. How? My great grandfather was given the title of Dara Singh. You can see here. My great grandfather was given the title of. The title of. The we haven't used. Okay, in this way. If uncountable nouns are there, then also we do not use the, as sugar is sweet, tea is harmful. Okay. Yes, now next. When the nouns are used in pairs, we do not use the. Remember, when the nouns are used in pairs, we do not use the. How? Father and son, brother and sister, mother and daughter, in this way. And see this now next. I am going to temple. I am going to the temple. Which one is correct? Both sentences are correct. How? I am going to temple means worship is there. Generally means general thing is there. Why do we go to temple? We go to temple to worship. The meaning of this sentence. And I am going to the temple means particular work except worship, if we use the. Next, when we talk about speaker's own relatives, we do not use the before father, mother, brother, uncle, aunt, in this way. How? When the house caught fire, mother was washing clothes and father was reading newspaper. You can see here. When the house caught fire, जब घर में आग लगी, mother was washing clothes. Mother washing clothes, कपड़े धो रही थी. And father was reading newspaper. Father newspaper reading कर रहे थे. Means we are talking about the family relations. Family relations के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर. So we haven't used the. The mother नहीं use किया है and the father use नहीं किया है. But if we talk about another, किसी और के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use the. How? When the boy was beaten, जब boy को पीटा गया, the mother was cooking. Mother cooking कर रही थी and father was at work. Have you got this? Means now we are talking about another boy. You can see. And the family of another person. Okay. And now this we have completed article the. Okay. And now second in determiners, that is demonstratives. Demonstratives determiners. This, that, these, those. Okay. Now the use of these. This cow is black. And remember, this is used for nearness and that is used for far. The thing which is far. And this and that are used for singular noun, as that book is mine. Okay. And now one more thing I want to tell you. See, this is a black cow. That is my book. What is the difference? I am telling you. If after this, that, these, those. Any noun is there, then it is determiners. Okay, and if this, that, these, those, no any noun is there, then it is a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Okay, you will remember this. As these apples are sweet. Okay, those players are in the field. Okay, have you got this? Once again, these apples are sweet, those players, you can see these, those, and after these apples are there and after those players are there, means nouns are there, then they are called determiners, demonstrative determiners. If simple, how? These are sweet apples. Now this, these is a demonstrative pronoun. Those are good players. You can see here. Now it is a demonstrative pronouns. I think you have got the difference between determiners and demonstrative pronouns. These are called demonstrative determiners. Okay, and you can note down this in your fair notebook. Okay, goodbye.